Kia ora koutou. We're looking at growing Mānuka for native reforestation projects. Mānuka's botanical name is Leptospermum scoparium. It's a native plant here in Aotearoa and grows in a few other places as well. It's a really great plant for a lot of reasons. It's native. Once established, it's really hardy. It grows in a wide range of soils and climates. It provides food for bees and helps produce Manuka honey. And best of all, it makes a great nursery plant for reforestation projects, meaning that a Manuka plantation can form the beginnings of a new forest by creating shelter and the right conditions for other native plants and shrubs to take hold. So first of all, we need to find some seeds. Finding and identifying Manuka is actually quite easy. In Aotearoa there is another plant called Manuka, and they're quite similar in appearance, but it's actually easy to tell them apart from their seed pods. This is a Manuka branch with seed pods. The pods vary in size, but are roughly the size of the end of a pencil. If you can see them clearly from the ground, chances are it's Manuka. Manuka pods by contrast are tiny, and the tree also sheds the pods after seeding. Manuka is also a great regenerative tree to grow, and the process is exactly the same. The best way to get good seeds is to find a tree that is in the same region you're planning to plant in. This is called eco-sourcing. It means you're going to find a variety that grows well in the local conditions. So look for a tree in a forest or in a reserve, somewhere it has grown naturally, rather than from a roadside planting. Look for a tree that is healthy and loaded with flowers or seed pods. So we've found a tree, it's finished flowering, and the old flowers are turning into seed pods. These are the shiny ones on the tips of the branches, but we don't want to take these as they are still green and won't germinate. We need to look down the branches for last season's seed pods, the older grey ones like this. If there are pods opening in the same area, like these are, take the surrounding pods. So we've collected a bunch of the closed grey seed pods. Now we need to leave them on some newspaper or in a paper bag for about a week. The seed pods will open and you'll have many of the tiny orange seeds ready to plant. Separate the pods and leaves from the seeds and store them in a paper envelope. Now you have some seeds you're ready to sow.